Hello people, Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, or if you're in the US, Happy Holidays. Anyway, this little vlog is about this channel. It's at a bit of a crossroads because I sit here for hours making videos and I get little return, not very satisfying. I have something like 250 plus subscribers, I get 10 views. So I'm wondering what I should do. Should I give up? Should I produce something else? Should I sit here and stare at the camera and just talk to you like a lot of creators? Or what? So what I'd like to do is open this up to the YouTube community, you people watching this, hopefully, and give me some suggestions what I should do. Am I currently making shit and nobody likes it? Should I focus on something else to produce? Should I give up? I don't know, because I never get any comments to steer me. I just make and put up and hopefully people will like it. So there you are. So if you just do that for me, have a look, have a think, and tell me whether I'm useless or what. And I'll take that on board. And I'll see you next year. Thanks for watching again. And I hope a lot of more people will watch. Bye for now.